SAVA stock is down roughly 30% in the regular session of today, the 17th of July 2024. The market just opened, it's 11 minutes old, and we could see some volatility bubble, a rebound, I think, a rebound from some weakness it had earlier on, but the decline is the talk of the day. So it's trading right on its lower line of its price channel as things stand right now. But the interesting thing is about this is that it's so volatile in this session. Scalpers will be here watching and trying to take advantage of what's going on. Right now, it's trading right on its price channel. Expect some strength to come into the stock. We can see 30.52% as the loss. We should see it reduce a bit. We're looking at it now 30.27. So some gains, yeah. Just simply because of the fact that it's a rebound is on the cards. This is its 1 minute chart. This is it's a 1 minute chart. We can quickly have a look at its 4-hour chart and see what's going on. That's 4-hour chart. Let's see. Okay, you can see that huge plunge. We're looking at it here. So expected to come into this price channel. Expected to come into this for before this trend, this downward trend abates. But it's likely, on this bar chart, the fact that it's trading outside of its price channel, that it's going to come back in. It's likely to come back in. So this is also what is going on with here on TradingView. It has Fibonacci projection, so it's trading at a discount to all of them at the moment, especially this projection of 12.44. So it's the sort of levels it might rebound to, 12.39. The fact this is just simply because the fact that it has plunged by so much, it's definitely going to rebound. It's definitely going to rebound. Let's look at the this is the 4-hour chart. Yes, it is the 4-hour chart. So yeah, but the weakness wasn't it has been in place before now, as we can see from this 4-hour chart. It has been in place, so it's okay. So like I told you, see, 29.05. So some gains have some of the losses have been recovered. Some of the losses have been recovered by scalpers. Yeah, they have cashed in some amount of money. They've cashed in some amount of money. I think the news is that the company's CEO has resigned. Yeah, CEO Remi Barbier steps down today, I think. So let's see. Let's look at the 1-hour chart, 1 minute chart. Let's see what the projections are saying. Okay, so still holding in some of the gains. It recovered from trading right on its price channel, right on the bottom of its price channel. We will see whether it's going to recover more. It has already recovered, I think, the best part of maybe close to 2%. That's a tidy 200%, $200. Okay, let's see. This is its 1 minute chart. So projections 10.03. Yeah, you can see that it has just moved up, as we can see. 10.29, 10.50, 10.72, 11.02. We have 11.4. Let's have a look and see. 28.53. Okay, just still holding roughly, okay, let's say approximately maybe 1% and some fraction. Yeah. I think it's adding more, recovering more losses. So projections, I think at some point it got a rejection at $10.52 just not very long ago, 10.52. So like I mentioned earlier on, scalpers are here, and they're trying to make the most of this volatility that has occurred. You can see that now we're getting close to a 3% recovery. So the sums are tidying up for scalpers that got in at 9.43. They've probably recovered or close to at least the best part of 2%. They've recovered the best part of 2%. So this is this is still the 1 minute chart. Let's have a look at its 15-minute chart and see, just arbitrary. You can see that plunge. So projections we have here, we have 10.2, we have 10.64. Most upper projection here on this 50-minute chart is 12.03. Let's see. Recovering a lot more as well, getting to 3% recovery. Seeing the resistance from its, I think, maybe 40 period moving average on this 1 minute chart. That might become a primary demand line, so primary supply line, it seems. Okay, it has recovered even more, recovering more with losses, and at some point it reached the highs of around 10.58 on this 1 minute chart. So let's look at the 1 hour chart and see what we have here. On the 1 hour chart, we have the most upper projection of 11.49. So the extrapolation is indicating that it might get there, 11.49. What's the probability that it can get to 11.49? Let's retrace back. And see what we can get. What's the probability we are looking at here? 11.49. So if you take 11.49, okay, 11.49 will give us a standard deviation, 10-day moving average of 10-period moving average of 13.54, and standard deviation of 0.1349. Move sideways, slide sideways. We have 10-period moving average of 11.21, standard deviation of 0.1370. We have a couple of we have a cluster of data here on this 1 hour chart as things stand right now. So 11.33 is another 10-period moving average projection. 11.33. Standard deviation is 0.2515. Let's go back here. We have 11.49. 11.49. Excuse the noise you can hear. 0.2439. Before we calculate that, let's see. Okay, still holding we recovered losses of around 3%. So okay, let's continue to move sideways. We have 11.49. I think we have it. And then next one is 11.47. The odds that this probability will be good is looking good, because the stock has plunged by a huge amount. So these moving averages are at a premium to the current price it's at right now. So we have 10.16. So 10.16. Standard deviation is 0.5091. 11.47. Let's get it again. Okay, standard deviation 0.5021. Okay, we can quickly find the average of these figures. 13.54 plus 11.21 plus 11.33 plus 11.49 plus 11.47 plus 10.16. We have 9.2 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6. We have 11.533. That's the figure we have. Okay, no, our project. That's the. This is the average, and the projection we have is. Let's get that projection again. Projection we have is. We have a projection of 11.49. So okay, no, okay, it's not going to be that different. 11.49. And let's get the value of the average of the standard deviations. 0.1349 plus 0.137 plus 0.2515 plus 0.2439 plus 0.5021 plus 0.5091 divided by 6. We have 0.2964, 0.2964. So the probability that it will surpass 11.49 is 55.76%, and the probability that it will remain below that is 44.233%. So let's see what's going on right now. Yeah, it has recovered even more, close to 4%. You can see now, but there's a good chance some weakness will set in. There's a good chance some weakness will set in. Yeah, just have a look and see what you make of SAVA stock, down 26% roughly, on the news that its CEO has stepped down. And thank you very much for watching this video.